Hey guys, check this Theremin out that my brother Art built, man. He's an old school home brewer like me. I have mentioned in the past the fact that he and I grew up separately, not knowing one another. And not only did we grow up very similar lives, including all of our ham radio endeavors, but our home brewing love and our collections of vintage gear match. It's rather shocking. And I'm down in Dayton right now. Art is here with me, and he had his surgery today, and his surgeon said it went better than expected. And so the tumor is removed. And so all is well with Art. He's tired as hell, obviously, and needs to go to bed. I'm going to be taking off for home here in a minute. Look at this, man.
Show him a side view of one of those.
Oh, I will, Art. Hear how I'm talking, man? This is my persona, my YouTube persona. When I record video for YouTube, Art, I kind of change, man.
Yeah.
I kind of change, man. Check this out, guys. 6 vacuum tubes, 6 valves of type 12AU7. You want to see something, man? Check this out. The power supply lives on the base, on the bottom. By my thumb, 2 transformers, one for B+, which in this case is 50 volts, the other for filament supply for the tubes, or the valves. This Theremin design uses 10 volts AC on the filaments, not 12. Art wonders why. I wonder why. All I can think of is maybe for tube longevity. But it'll also draw less current on 10 volts, so you need less of a capable transformer probably as well. Check these 2 caps out, man. One sets minimum volume, one sets minimum frequency. Now these 2 open frame, some people call them C-frame, I've heard. They're exquisitely smooth. And Art has purchased 10-turn vernier drives.
Now they come built with an 8-to-1.
Oh, Art, I'm wrong. The caps come with a built-in 8-to-1 vernier. He bought them specifically for this application. And I can't, oh man. Art, whenever I record a YouTube video, for some reason, I feel like talking like Bill Clinton. Like, oh man. You know, I do that, man, and I can't stop.
Yeah.
I'm me, but a different version of me. I'm Blozo. Oh man, I cannot tell you, boys, how beautiful, that's smooth. And that's a theremin. You play it by placing your hands in proximity to those plates, of course. One controlling volume and one pitch. And we were going to demonstrate it, but really, Art needs to go to bed. I need to go home, see my Blitzy, my baby boy.
The close up of one of those turrets.
Oh yeah, see that?
Point-to-point wiring using node.
Check out the point-to-point wiring. Like Art just said, those blue devices, they're called turrets, and they're standoffs that allow you to mount, one end to the metal, the other end to your components. In all my years, I've never heard of a turret. Art did electronics in the Air Force. You said that you used them in the Air Force.
Pretty common on our radar set. Yeah.
They're what?
Pretty common on the radar set I worked on.
Yep, okay. So he said they're pretty common on the radar sets he worked on in the Air Force. Theremin. Thanks for sharing, Art. I wanted to show you guys Art's the quality of his home brewing. The attention to detail, the overall appearance. That, guys, is beautiful.
Get a back view. Showing the brackets. And,
Okay. Hang on, guys, gotta pause you. Okay, back panel. IEC power cord connector. Isn't that what those are called? IEC?
I think so, yeah.
This middle jack is for what, Art?
The audio output.
Audio output. And this, he used DB9 connectors to connect the Theremin to the power supply unit. That, guys, is how you homebrew. That, guys, is homebrew porn. Click. Thanks for sharing, Art. Good luck with your recovery. 73, guys. Thanks for watching.